Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Alicia E. Esteron, 33 years old. I have a live-in partner and we had 3 kids. I am a high school graduate and I have experience as a helper here in the Philippines with 2 years contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are to taking care the newborn baby and to taking care the kids and elderly and do cooking, ironing, washing clothes and all household duties.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking food and feeding them.
Please tell some of your skills.
Madam Sir, I finished high school graduate. I can cook Filipino food and I'm willing to learn more.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, and God-fearing multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell to your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.